Okay, so this is a 6 by 8 station of the Haworth Enhanced, 48 inches high, and we are gonna create a drop right here, and this where this 90 connector, this two-way connector goes to create a drop to 32 inches. That's this panel right here. This also works for the if you're going from 64 to dropping to 48 or 64 dropping to 32. So you need to create, in this case, we're coming off from 48 high. So we need to create the high-low here, but we need to place the bar of the two-way connector all the way to 48, like so. So you're placing the bar, and then you need to make sure you have all the clips right here also on the connectors, because there's three different types. The ones for the finish ends or end of runs, the ones for the straights, and the ones for the 90s, three-ways and four-ways. They usually go with the same clips right here.
That would make it.
Yeah, that will make it more sturdy, and you won't have play here in this part right here. Then you place the cover for the bottom. That's a 32-inch high two-way cover trim. Let's cover the 90. So like that, and then you place the 16-inch, the two-way cover, to make it go all the way to up to 48 inches height. Okay, so now this side, we need on this side, we need to make sure we have also the cover, the finish and the cover for this part right here. That's 16 inches, and also the top cap that goes here. This is a panel, a 48-inch panel, but the top cap needs to be an inch less than 48. So this is a 47-inch top cap. And then you place the bracket for the high-low, where the finishing is gonna sit. So this is the bracket right here. And here it's gonna be the finish end or end of run sitting right here. As you can see, it's sitting right there in the bracket, and then on the top, that's the crown that goes. It works either for a 90, four-way, or three-way. In this case, we're using it for a two-way. And you put the end of run also, but this is a special end of run. This is smaller, especially for high-lows. In difference of this one, this is for just the end of run, the regular finish end. This is a little bit shorter. Doesn't have this tail right here. And this is it. This is how it looks. So this is a 48 high 90 or two-way connector with all this cover going up to 48, and then you place a 16-inch finish end right here where the high-low is. If you're building it up to 64 high, it's the same thing. You just put the two-way cover all the way up to 64, and then you need another 16-inch finish end going up to 64, and it will look like this.